If you have encountered this error message in Valorant, it usually means your PC needs HVCI or memory integrity enabled to play. But sometimes, the game just won't launch even when you think everything is set up correctly. To fix this, we're going to manually toggle your security settings. From your home screen, hit the Start menu and click on the Settings gear icon. Once you're in the Settings window, look at the left hand sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. Then select Windows Security at the very top. From here, click on the Device Security tab, which will open a new window. You'll see a section called Core Isolation. Go ahead and click on Core Isolation Details link right under it. Now look for the memory integrity toggle. If it's off, switch it to on. But if it was already on and the game is still acting up, try toggling it off and then back on again to reset the service. Windows will likely ask you to restart your computer to apply these changes, so go ahead and reboot. Once you're back at your desktop, Valorant's anti cheat Vanguard should finally recognize that HVCI is active. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.